Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an item from your watch list on eBay. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, and this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to basically remove items from their watch list on eBay just because there's too many items. How do you actually go ahead about doing this? Now let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is hop into the eBay app, which is this white icon here. And then on the bottom left hand corner, you want to click on My eBay. Once you click on My eBay, you want to click on Watchlist, which is located underneath Shopping. And with this watch list, this is where you're going to be able to remove items. So in order to remove an item, all you've got to do is swipe to the left for the item and then click on Delete. So another way to actually do this is you'd actually click on the pencil icon on the upper right hand corner, and you can actually select all these items and then also remove them from your watch list as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove an item from your watch list. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.